Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are back at it with another addition to our Shop My Stash series, and this is a series that I'm doing with Anya from Pink Sweets. So if you are new to my channel or even Anya's channel, in this series we are diving into our collection, pulling out some makeup products that have been collecting some dust, need some attention, and we're just pulling them out and sharing them with you. This is just meant to be a fun get into our collection type of series, nothing too serious here. And again, this is a collaboration with Anya, so please go check out her channel and her video. I've left her channel linked up above and down below in the description box, and I mean, she's amazing. You guys will fall in love with her. She is doing such an amazing job on her channel. So many looks, tutorials, unboxings, collaborations. Like, she is a well-rounded channel, and I'm so glad that we are doing this series together. It is just like the perfect way to like grow our friendship. It's amazing. So in this video, this is a little special because you guys actually helped us pick our palettes for this video. And so on Anya's community tab and on mine, we did a poll and we asked you guys to pick from 3 different palettes that we thought were kind of like forgotten in our collection. And so you guys voted, and here we are. I have my palette pick for this video, and I'm really excited because this was going to be the palette that I wanted to use next anyways. So you guys, we're sharing some brain waves. So that's exciting. So in this video, I will be dipping into the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. So if you're interested to see this oldie but a goodie palette in action, then stay tuned and let's get into this video. You guys have spoken, and I completely agree with your pick. So today we're trying out the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and you guys, I am so excited to be diving into this. I am a Too Faced obsessor, like enthusiasm collector. Yeah. So I definitely have a lot of their palettes, and I love their matte liquid lipsticks. Just amazing. Great formula for a matte liquid lipstick. So I'm really stoked. I'm stoked that we're trying out this palette. It still smells like chocolate, so that is awesome. And I've had this for some years. Yeah, so let's hope that the color payoff for this palette is still performing. And don't forget to check out Anya's video because I cannot wait to see what palette that you guys have ultimately picked for her to use. And let's just dive into a makeup look using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. So I have completed the eye look. Let me jump off camera and do my regular stuff, foundation, concealer, blush, powder, all that jazz, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished doing my base makeup, and all we have left is the lips. So I thought, because we're using a Too Faced palette, let's go ahead and jump into a Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Suck It, and it is just a really nice nude lip that I like to reach for every once in a while. So let's go ahead and apply this. look using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette. Now, when I think of Too Faced, I think of like the everyday makeup wear that wants that natural look, but with just like a hint of color. That's what I think of when I am just like, what is this brand really about? Who are they targeting? So honestly, I don't think of Too Faced as like big, bright, bold, fierce color, but it is something nice if you just like to have like a subtle makeup look. But yeah, I really enjoyed just jumping into this palette. It was a really nice trip down memory lane for me, and I enjoyed it. I do love Too Faced packaging. I think it's super cute, and I love their tin as well. I don't know, something about it that it just draws to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, this just draws my attention, and I love them. I love this type of design. All right, so that completes this video. So let me know down below what Too Faced item you have in your collection. What is your current Too Faced favorite? I would love to get to chatting with you guys down in the comments below. And again, I've left everything about Anya in the description box and in this video. So please don't forget to check her out. And that is all I have. So I will see you guys in our next video. Bye. Mwah.